Good morning, little May. Time to wake up and eat breakfast. The bamboo is especially tender today.
Mama, I had the most wonderful dream about a temple made entirely of golden bamboo. Mama, is the bamboo temple real or just a story?
It is real, little one, and one day we'll go. High in the mountains where few pandas venture, there's an ancient temple where golden bamboo grows.
Guarded by what?
By the Golden Monkey King, he tests all who seek the temple. Did someone say bamboo temple? I've been there! Well, almost. I got scared and turned back, but I know the way!
Really? Could you show me?
May, we don't go wandering off to dangerous mountains.
Oh, it's not that dangerous, just steep and cold. And there's that one bridge over the bottomless gorge, but mostly fine.
If I'm very careful and very quick, I could just see the temple and come right back.
Well, mama pandas do nap deeply, and the path isn't far, just up the mountain, through the clouds, past the gorge, over the...
You're not making it sound better, Bao.
But think how amazing it would be! Golden bamboo!
We'll just go look and come right back. Mama won't even know we were gone.
That's what I told myself last time! Follow me, watch out for loose rocks!
Okay, Bao.
Good, stay close!
I will.
Okay, this is the part where I turned back last time. See that bridge?
Yeah, let's go. It's not a bridge. That's just some old ropes and boards. Over that? The temple is just on the other side. We've come so far. Are you brave enough? You go first.
Bao, I'm scared. What if I fall?
Don't worry, May. I'm right here. Then I'd catch you. Well, I'd try. Come on, we'll go together, one step at a time. Don't look down.
Okay, together. One step. We made it! We actually made it! And look!
Two young seekers have crossed the Bridge of Courage. Tell me, little panda, why have you come to my temple?
Great Monkey King, I came to see if the legends were true, and to taste the golden bamboo if I'm worthy.
Honest words. But does your mother know where you are?
No, sir. She's probably very worried by now.
The golden bamboo is indeed magical. One bite can grant a wish.
I learned that adventure is exciting, but I also learned that I made my mama worry by not telling her where I was going.
Well spoken, little one. You are worthy. This bamboo will grant you one wish. Indeed, Mama Panda has asked me to find her daughter. She is very worried, young May.
Oh no, I need to get home! Master Crane, how long will it take to get home?
Patience, little one. We will be there soon.
Then I know what my wish should be. I wish for a safe, fast way home to my mama.
Thank you! Thank you for the gift and the lesson! Me! Oh, my precious baby! I was so worried! I woke up and you were gone!
I'm sorry, Mama. I'm so sorry. I went to the bamboo temple and I should have told you and I made you worry and...
You're safe! You're home! That's what matters most! But we will talk about this, young lady!
Mama, the Golden Monkey King gave me this. It's magical bamboo that can grant a wish.
You used your wish to come home to me?
Of course, Mama. You're more important than any magic.
May, I'm proud that you were brave enough to make the journey and wise enough to admit your mistake.
Yes, Mama. I really am sorry. I promise I'll always tell you before I go on adventures from now on.
And maybe when you're a bit bigger, we'll visit the bamboo temple together. The proper way.
Really? Together? You know, Mama, the golden bamboo tasted magical, but this bamboo tastes like home. And that's pretty special, too.
That's because you're eating it with someone who loves you. That's the real magic, little one. Mrs. Panda? I'm sorry I encouraged May to run away. It was my idea, too. Come here, Bao.
Mama, will you tell me a bedtime story?
I think you made your own story today, little one.
Well, it started when Bao and I climbed the mountain, and there was a scary bridge, but we were brave, and then the golden bamboo was so beautiful.
And as little May drifted off to sleep mid-sentence, she dreamed of golden bamboo forests and wise monkey kings, of brave adventures.
When morning came, little May woke refreshed and ready to keep her promise, to help Mama, to be responsible.